Hey guys, and welcome back to Elley Knows Rocks. I am standing here in Quartzsite today, and I am at their yearly gem and mineral show, and I just thought I would check it out. I've only ever driven through Quartzsite, Arizona. I've never really stopped and explored. I've always wanted to, so a couple of friends and me came out today to check it out. So thank you guys so much for being part of my adventure, and let's go see what we find. I'm pretty sure I've driven past this place a couple times, and I think it's here and open all year round, but I could totally be wrong about that. Their selection was quite vast, and they actually had decent prices. One thing that I did like is most everything had a price tag on it. Except this guy, I didn't even ask how much this costs, I just thought it was beautiful. Me and Amethyst, as you know, have a special connection. I absolutely love them. It's crystals, right? It's all the energy. I was quite surprised that there weren't more people here, but we were at the very last tail end of the show. So a lot of people, unfortunately, were packing up and had already left before we got there. But there was still a wealth of minerals to check out, but not a lot of wholesale. Now this thing is quite the novelty, not efficient at all.
This is cutting through a piece of tiger's eye. It is giant.
And kind of more or less a noisemaker.
They're like little villages or little miners.
Like that.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
That is cute. All the mermaid one with the ocean and the turtle.
I don't know how much I could sell.
Those are cute. Now, I didn't buy one of the big ones, although now I'm wishing kind of I had, but I did buy a smaller one. And if you guys would like to check out what it is, head on over to my Patreon. The link is in the description.
Amethyst. So pretty. Look how cute they are. Fluorite, lots of aragonite, blue calcite. I don't like that there's just prices here.
Now, at first glimpse, you might be thinking that this is Larimar, but it's not. This is blue ocean calcite. And I'm really wishing I would have gotten an egg-shaped polished one now, but I didn't. So I just have to marvel at its beauty. And if I recall, it really wasn't that expensive either. They're stunning little ocean-looking scenes. Great variety. As did this entire tent. The whole tent was just full of all kinds of stuff.
This tent has a little bit of everything in it.
This is Larimar, a beautiful blue silicate mineral pectolite, only found in the Dominican Republic. It's stunning when fashioned into cabs, but extremely expensive, but worth it. These were some very large quartz and calcite amalgamations, very neat looking. This tent had a lot of onyx, polished things, stuff like that, but again, the polished eggs are what caught my eye, or polished stones, for some reason. I don't know why I'm so into this lately. And those black ones right there are fossils, and then we have the orange calcite, which is super pretty. Jasper, multicolored jasper, all kinds of stuff. And seriously, I went too quick to name most of it.
Those are very dyed, probably lab created, but they still look pretty cool. A lot of people love those bright colors, but that does not happen in nature. Calcite's pretty cool. These big old geodes that have like the iron on top of the crystals look neat. Barite blades with vanadionite crystals look pretty cool. I think these are just raw vanadionite crystals. I think those look pretty sweet.
Next, here's what I took home from the Quartzsite Gem and Mineral Show. The big one is quartz pseudomorph over fluorite. With small pyrite crystals, so is the one to the left, and the one to the right is quartz with manganese, making it pink. Now, the fluorite in these guys glows bright blue and purple with a UV light. When I got these home, I was really hoping that they would fluoresce, and it turns out that they do, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to get such big pieces. This is an orange-yellow calcite egg, and this is a rhodochrosite egg. Probably the most expensive thing I bought per gram for the entire show. This next one is a pyrite egg. He's very cute. And the one after that is an amethyst egg. I'm really into the polished eggs of minerals right now. I think they're fascinating. Then we have a fluorite crystal with a quartz manganese crystal on top of it. And a little bit of pyrite inclusions. And then we have a pyrite, galena, and quartz amalgamation of crystals. And then I got a piece of unpolished Larimar so that I can polish it up on my own. I was quite thrilled with what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought it was pretty cool. It was a smaller show than Tucson, but it was still worth it. And I got some really cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.